All right, friends, open up those books to page 32 and 33 if you're not there already. Take a look at that pink box. Up in the pink box, we'll see where it says, what does 23 mean? And you can see a picture of it right here. 23 means that there's two tens, and tens are drawn with lines, and 3 ones, which are little dots. We draw our ones with dots. So the 2 in 23 has a value of 2 tens or 20, and the 3 in 23 has a value of 3 ones or 3. So we can show that with a picture. We can show that by writing 2 tens, 3 ones. We can also show that with an addition problem. So 2 tens, remember, is 20, so that's 20 plus those 3 ones. 3 ones, 20 plus 3. So we're going to practice showing other ways to write two-digit numbers. So let's take a look at 37, and you can do this along with me. 37 has, I always start with a picture, 3 tens, so draw your 3 tens, and 7 ones. 5, 6, 7. I like to draw my ones as if I have a tens frame going this way. So once I get to 5, I start a new row. Now, how many tens were in that number? Oh, remember there's 3. The 3 is in the tens place. And there were 7 ones in that number. And look, I can look at my picture to help me with this part too. After you draw, how many tens did you draw? 3. How many ones did you draw? 7. The last part is you're going to make an equation with it. 3 tens is the same as 10, 20, 30. And 7 ones is the same as 7. Let's try one more, and I'll let you do the rest of them on your own. 54, draw first. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 4 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. How many tens in that number? 5 is in the tens place, so I'm writing the 5 here. 4 is in the ones place. 4 goes with the ones. And 5 tens is equal to 50 plus my 4 ones. So continue to work on numbers 3 and 4, 5 and 6. When you get to number 7, if you would like to rewatch this video to hear me read it, you can. Riley has some toy dinosaurs. The number she has is 1 less than 50. So think about it. What's 1 less than 50? Now, I would write that number up here so that you know, or down here, what's 1 less than 50. Just write the number. And then show it to me in 2 other ways. So you can show this number as a picture, like you did over here. You could show this number as tens and ones. So write the tens on the line and the ones. Or you could even write that number, remember 1 less than 50, as an equation. Number 8, Eric has 4 bags of 10 marbles and 6 single marbles. How many marbles does Eric have? I would draw a picture. He has 4 bags of 10. So you can make 4 tens here, right? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 bags of 10 and 6 single marbles. What number is that? Okay. Last page, you will need some crayons for. So if you have those colors, that's great. Colored pencils work, markers work as well. You're going to start at 51 and draw a green line to 43. They did that for you. Look, 51. 5 tens and 1 1 is 51. And they drew it to 43. 4 tens and 3 ones. 43. Draw a blue line from 43 to 34. Remember, it's not going to look like that. You have to find the one that means 43. So here's 43. We have to find 34. Which one of these crayons shows 34? Not 20 and 9. That doesn't make sense. Find it. Then when you're on 34, you're going to draw another line, a red line to 29, and then stay on 29 and draw from 29 to 72 with yellow. Last part, your blue box, draw a picture to show the number 26, and then show it in those same two ways. When you draw your 26, how many tens is that? How many ones? And write an equation. If you have time and you'd like some extra dojo points, complete your homework, pages 35 and 36, and you will get some extra dojo points if you send me a picture on Seesaw or through email.